Ever wonder why your cat suddenly freaks out for no reason? Here's the scoop: cats can hear ultrasound frequencies way beyond what we humans can catch. That means they're reacting to sounds we literally can't even hear, so when your cat's ears twitch or they stare into thin air, they're probably eavesdropping on a secret world of sound. Crazy, right? Smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with anyone who thinks cats are just mysterious. Now here's a question: what else are cats sensing that we don't?